In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture an image from a video in Canva. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, making it easy to extract just the frame you want from your video project. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to Canva's official website. If you don't already have a Canva account, you'll need to sign up, but if you already do, simply click on the Login button at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the login screen where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you've saved your credentials, you might be able to skip typing and simply click on Continue. Choose your Google account from the list and you'll be redirected back to Canva's homepage once you're successfully logged in. From the homepage, locate and click on the Templates section to explore your design options. If you've already started your video project, you'll find it listed in your recent designs. Open your video project and get ready to select the specific frame you want to capture. Scroll through your video to find the frame of interest, and once you spot it, right-click on the timeline and select Split Page. This action will isolate your desired frame into its own section. After splitting, scroll to the end of the isolated frame, right-click once again, and select Split Page. This ensures that the exact frame is perfectly separated for extraction. Now it's time to download the frame. Locate the Share button, usually situated near the top right of your Canva interface, and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Download to proceed with exporting your image. Make sure to adjust the file type to either JPG or PNG. These formats are ideal for images and will preserve the quality of your captured frame. Once the file type is set, choose the exact page or frame you isolated earlier. This ensures you're only downloading the desired snapshot from your video project. With all settings verified, click on Done to finalize your selection. And lastly, hit the Download button to save the image to your computer. The image is now extracted and ready for use in your personal or professional projects. I hope you found this guide helpful. By following these steps, capturing a still image from your video in Canva becomes a straightforward task. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy creating.